Have you ever noticed how much easier things are when we work together? When we join forces, tasks that seem daunting become manageable, and we can achieve so much more. It's like a fun game of teamwork. Everyone brings their unique skills and ideas to the table, making the experience enjoyable and productive. Since a long time ago, people have always helped each other. Communities thrived because of the collective effort and shared responsibilities. Back then, humans needed to work together to survive. They relied on each other for food, shelter, and protection. Imagine if only one person knew how to hunt for food or build a shelter. It would have been nearly impossible to sustain life alone. Life would have been very difficult. But through cooperation and sharing, they made life easier and more fulfilling. But when everyone shared their skills and helped each other, they could overcome challenges and build a strong community. This sense of unity and collaboration is what makes communities resilient and vibrant. Just like building a block tower together, each person's contribution is essential, and together we can create something wonderful and lasting. We all have different strengths and weaknesses. Some of us are good at sports, while others are great at art or music, and that's perfectly okay. Just like the different pieces of a puzzle, we fit together to make something beautiful. Imagine trying to play all the instruments in a band by yourself. It would be impossible. But when we each play our part, we create a beautiful melody together. We need each other's unique talents and abilities. Working together not only helps us get things done, but also makes us feel good. When we cooperate, we build strong friendships and learn to appreciate each other. It's like sharing your favorite toys with your friends. Cooperation brings joy, laughter, and a sense of belonging. It teaches us to be kind, patient, and understanding. Remember, a little bit of kindness can go a long way in making the world a better place. Section 4. Cooperation in our everyday lives. We see examples of cooperation everywhere. Think about your school. Teachers work together to create fun lessons, and students help each other with their studies. And when it's time for recess, everyone joins in on the games. Even in our families, we cooperate by helping with chores, taking care of each other, and sharing special moments. From playing a game together to cleaning up after dinner, cooperation makes our lives happier and more fulfilling. Section 5. Helping hands in our community. Our community is like a big team, and everyone has a role to play. From the smallest acts of kindness to the most heroic deeds, every contribution matters. Firefighters keep us safe from fires, bravely rushing into dangerous situations to protect lives and property. Doctors and nurses help us when we're sick, providing care and comfort to those in need, often working long hours to ensure our health. And police officers protect our neighborhoods, maintaining peace and order and ensuring that we feel safe in our homes and streets. Can you imagine how difficult life would be without them? Their dedication and hard work are the backbone of our community. We also have mail carriers who deliver our letters and packages, connecting us with loved ones and bringing us the things we need. Bus drivers who take us to school, ensuring that students arrive safely and on time, ready to learn and grow. And grocery store workers who make sure we have food on our tables, stocking shelves, and helping us find what we need. Each one of these helpers plays an important part in making our community a better place. Their efforts, big and small, weave the fabric of our daily lives, creating a supportive and thriving environment for everyone. Section 6. Together, we can do anything. When we join hands and hearts, we create a force that is unstoppable. Remember, my friends, working together is the key to a happy and successful life. It's through collaboration and mutual support that we find true joy and fulfillment. When we cooperate, we can achieve amazing things. Whether it's in our personal lives, at work, or in our communities, teamwork makes the dream work. Just like a team of ants working together to carry a crumb, we can overcome any obstacle when we work together. No challenge is too great when we pool our strengths and resources. So, let's always remember to be kind, helpful, and respectful to one another. These small acts of kindness can build bridges and create lasting bonds. Let's celebrate our differences and use our unique talents to make the world a brighter place. Each of us has something special to contribute, and together we can create a tapestry of success and happiness, because together we can do anything. Our unity is our strength, and with it we can achieve the extraordinary.